Hi, I'm Wyndham-Read, and today's home workout with your qualified online trainer is a 7-minute HIIT workout. Now this is total body. It's a really fun, fast, effective workout. You don't need any equipment, and I'm going to show you two options. So this is suitable for every single fitness level. What I would say, if you haven't already done a warm-up, march on the spot for say 30 seconds, and when you're ready, I'm ready to start training you today.
So here's a preview of the first move. We're going to do 4 star jumps and then 4 side hops. And I'm going to be showing you 2 alternatives. We've got an advanced and beginners. So the beginners, we're just taking out the jump. So you've got this for 50 seconds. So you choose the move that suits you. The whole point is with this workout is you tailor it to your ability. All right, that's good. So make sure when we're doing those star jumps, just land nice and softly on those heels. And we're just taking that to that lateral jump. So the benefit here on both sides, this is a really great move for total body. So we're working all over. We're helping with your heart health, your bone health, your joint health, everything, and also toning you up. We're working near enough every single muscle group. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. Doing really well. So we've got 7 moves today, no repeaters. So this workout is going to fly by. It's fun, fast, but the most important thing is it is really effective and it is going to get you results. All right, 2 and 1. So you just march. So for the next move, we're going to be doing what I call 4 pop squats and then 4 T-bends. Now this one really challenges your balance, but it's a really good thing to work on. So this is a T-bend. We do 4 of those and then we take it to 4 touchdown squats. All right. So choose your position and we're going to go for 50 seconds. So if you're doing the advanced, you do those 4 jump pop squats. And then, now this is the hard move, you're going to aim to take one leg behind and fingertips down to the ground. Now that side's my bad one for balance, but the more you do it, you find your balance will improve. Then you take it back to those 4 pop squat jumps. So if you're following on the right, the beginner one, you're just going to go for doing the 4 basic squats. So we're really working lower body strength and we're still testing your balance because we're taking that one leg behind. So then we're working balance on the other leg. All right, that's good. And well done. And just keep an eye on that timer. And we've just got last 10 seconds to go from now. So again here, this is a total body move. We're working absolutely everywhere. And just give me those last pop squat jumps and then we are done. So you can march it out if you want to. You can always just keep that to a low jog. So the next move is a really tough one. It's a fun one though as well. We're going to sprint on the spot for 5 seconds or 5 counts, then you jump down. So just jog 5, sprint really fast, and then you just jump back down and then come back up. All right, so choose your position. So if you're doing those fast little sprints, count yourself 5 times of sprinting, jump down and then jump straight back up. That's good. And then if you're following on the right, if you're doing the beginners one, you're going to go for doing the knee lifts, keep that upper body straight, then squeeze one leg behind using the arms as well. All right, that's it. Brilliant. So this one here, we're really doing a fast move, and you can see the beginner's move is still fast. It's still a fast knee lift and then squeeze behind. So this one here is really working us cardiovascularly, great calorie burner, really great for toning up, getting you fit and strong. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. Well done. And you've got less than 10 seconds to go on move 3. And let's just count you down. And we've got last 3. Let's go 2 and 1. All right, just march it out for me now. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Really good. And what we're going to do now, I'm going to preview move 4. So this one, you do pretend skipping for 4. And then you do side kicks for 4. All right, so we're going to come into position. We're going to start with pretend 4 skips. And then once you've done your 4, jump to the side and give me 4 side kicks. Then you jump back into the center, 4 skipping arms, and then jump it round. All right, that's good. So you've got the idea. If you're the beginner, then all you're doing is you're simply just taking out that jump when we do the skipping and do a toe tap in front. So the idea with these workouts, I want to make them really fun so they fly by. So this is why we do so much in each move. But also it really works with your mental fitness as well and your coordination and what we call motor skills. All right, that's good. Just keeping that going. Doing really well. We've got less than 10 seconds to go. And last little bit, 5. Let's take that 4, go 3, 2 and 1. All right, so just march it out or you can take it to a light jog, keeping that going. That's good. So with the next move, we're going to be doing 4 straight leg kicks and then 4 squat jumps. All right. So if you're doing the beginners, you're just going to go for 4 knee lifts and then 4 straight leg kicks. So just choose your position. And if you're doing the jumps, make sure you land nice and softly. That's good. And when we do that straight leg kick, be sure to keep your upper body nice and straight. And by doing that, you really engage those deep core muscles. All right, that's good. And just keeping that going. And softly. And then take that straight leg kick. All right, that's good. And remember, this is from my 7-minute HIIT challenge. So this, I've done a whole series of these and I've created you a free training ebook download guide. I don't need your email. All the details are in the description down below. So you can print it off, you can tick off each day, plus do the other suggested workouts on that day as well. All right, let's go 3 and take it 2 and 1. All right, just march it out, or you can take it to a light jog on the spot for the next move. Let me just preview. So this one now, we're going to do a plie with either heels up or down, and then we're going to go 4 waist bends. So the advanced one, all I'm going to do is we're in the same position, but you're going to lift both heels up. All right. And you're going to pulse and take it for 4 little squats. And now you're going to reach from one side to the other. So we're activating your oblique muscles working into the waist. All right, that's good. So this one here is really excellent to work the inner and the outer thighs. Plus we're doing that rotational move as well by taking the arms out to the side, not rotational, sorry, lateral is really good for working and shaping into your waist and those core muscles. All right, that's good. And let's just get ready for those last 15 seconds. Now, the great thing is when you come back and do this workout tomorrow, because I suggest you do it for the next 7 days, you don't need to have the audio on. You could have your favorite piece of music on. All right, that's good. And let's go 3, take that 2 and 1. All right, well done. Just march it out. That's good. So we're going to get ready for the last move. Now, this one, I'm going to really work your motor skills, which means your coordination, mind and body. Because with the arms, we're going to punch up, in front, out to the side and down. So you can either do it marching or doing a jog on the spot. So you choose. So let's just keep going. So with that, arms up, in front, out to the side and down. All right, well done. So as said, these 7-minute workouts are just a really quick way to keep yourself super fit. They're going to boost your metabolic rate for the rest of the day. It's a really good thing if you can do it first thing in the morning, but they're effective whatever time of the day. Just means then you've done it. All right, that's good. And just keep remembering what you are doing right now. You are taking control of your health. You are investing in your future health, and our health is the most important thing we have. All right, and that's where my job as your online trainer is to keep you healthy, keep you fit. All right, that's good. And we've just got those last few seconds coming up, and let's count you down. Let's go 3, take that 2 and 1. All right, well done. Just a march for me on the spot. That's good. Really well done.
So well done, that is your workout complete, and there is your high five. So what I want you to do, I want you to carry on marching now until that timer stops. Really important that we get your heart rate back down. And don't forget, this is from my HIIT challenge. So you can download in the description down below, you can download my free training guide so you can tick it off and do all the other workouts I suggest. And remember today, what you have done, you've invested in your future health. So definitely if you've liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, hit subscribe. And what I would say is at the end of this video, in the link, come and do a cool down stretch with me, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.